Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. How's that for a name? Hi Keto peeps. Raise your hand if you like coffee. Raise your other hand if you like coffee in your desserts. Hi, I'm Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making some keto cappuccino cookies. This recipe is based on my very popular keto chocolate chip cookie recipe. It has the same basic ingredients, but this time you put some espresso powder in the dough and you add white chocolate chips instead of regular chocolate chips. It's a fun and delicious twist on a fan favorite. So just like my regular chocolate chip cookies, we're using 2 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cup of Swerve brown. You can use regular granular as well. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of espresso powder. You can also use something like these little Via packs, and if you don't want the caffeine rush, you can use decaf. Now a classic cappuccino often has cinnamon sprinkled on top, so I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and about 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now just stir all the ingredients together and break up any clumps in the almond flour, the sweetener, or even the espresso powder. Now we're ready to add our wet ingredients, and I have 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and about 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll just work those into the dry ingredients until we have a cookie dough. Now we're ready for our white chocolate chips, and I am using the white baking chips from Chalk Zero. No matter what brand you use, keto white chocolate chips have a tendency to sort of disappear and melt away during baking. So I only like to put about 1/2 of them into my actual dough, and I save the rest for the tops of the cookies after baking. I have 6 tablespoons of white chocolate chips, and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons to the dough. And we'll just mix those in until we have good distribution throughout the dough. You can really make your cookies any size you like. You can make them smaller and get more of them, or you can make them bigger and have 1 per serving. I'm aiming for about 16 larger cookies, so I'm going to make dough balls that are about 1.5 inches in diameter. Now, if when you're making your dough balls, you make them a little too small or a little too big, you can just even out the dough at the end. Now we're going to take the palm of our hand and just gently press down on the dough balls until they're about 1/2 inch thick. And sometimes I find I get cookies with too many of the chocolate chips and some cookies without enough, so sometimes I just steal one and stick it into the other guy. And now our cookies are ready for the oven. They go in at 325 for 15 to 18 minutes. Now normally I would tell you to look for them to be golden brown, but you can see that the espresso powder makes that a little hard to tell. Just keep your eye on them. You want them to be puffy and soft, but still set around the edges. Okay guys, I just grabbed the cookies out of the oven. You can see that they're nice and puffed and spread out a little, and they're really, really hot. And now is the time, while they're still warm, to add your white chocolate chips. So you're just gonna take a few extra white chocolate chips and put them into the tops of each cookie. You just wanna press them in. They'll get nice and melty from the heat, and they won't leave cracks because you're doing it while they're still warm. I like to put 3, maybe 4, maybe even 5 if I have enough to the top of each cookie. And once you've added white chocolate chips to your satisfaction, you need to let them cool completely. If you try to pick them up right now, they're gonna fall apart. Okay guys, are you ready for some kick-ass keto cookies? Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. How's that for a name? So, they are nice and cooled, and yet the white chocolate's still melty. They're nice and puffy and big, and we're gonna bite in. Ooh, I want to bite where there's white chocolate on the top. Oh my goodness. You get the coffee, the white chocolate, the little hint of cinnamon. It's fabulous. It's like a cappuccino that you can take with you. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. For this delicious Kick-Ass Keto recipe, check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies. Kick-Ass Keto Cappuccino Cookies.